Okay, so we start chapter 2. Section 1 is going to be about writing equations. If you remember 1-1, where we had to go from a written to an algebraic expression, this is the exact same thing, but today we'll be adding an equal sign. So, kind of as a review, some words we can use would be like add, we can use the word plus, or maybe the word sum. Subtract might be like minus, or subtract, or maybe difference. For multiply, we might use the product, maybe times. Remember, we use the word of sometimes. Divide, how about quotient or divided? Equals. We might use the word equals, or we might use the same as. Or one of the ones that's kind of tricky, that'll try and trick us, is going to be is. Sorry about that, I don't know what's going on with my word there. Is. Okay? So, 1a, 2 plus the quotient. Okay, I'm going to have something that's dividing. A number is going to mean a variable, and 8 is the same as means equal sign 16. So 2 plus x over 8 equals 16. That's what they want. Let's try another one just because these ones are kind of weird. 27 times means a multiplying sign. K is, that's an equal sign, H squared, decreased, I think that sounds like subtraction. What do you think? 9. That's my answer there. If I want to write it where it looks just a little more fluid, like it's supposed to be that way. Here we go. Okay? All right. Here, we'll try this word problem here. There are 50 members in the North Carolina Senate. This is 70 fewer than the number in the North Carolina House of Representatives. So, 50 is the number we get when we take the number of North Carolina House of Representatives. Maybe we'll call that R. If you take R, 70 fewer than, so R minus 70 is that 50. Okay, how many members of the North Carolina House of Representatives are there? I'll tell you what, we're going to do more on solving later, so I'm not going to worry about that now. All right, 4a and 4b, we are going to get to write these out. So I tell you what, if the number is bigger than 10, you can just write it algebraically. So like 15, that's bigger than 10, so I'm just going to write it like that. Equal sign, maybe I'll go for is, or is the same as, equals, could be whatever you want to say. 25 times u, I'll say, yeah, I'm just going to say u, and then I'm going to say squared plus 2. Since 2 is less than 10, I went ahead and wrote it out. All right, that's all we're doing today. I'll see you tomorrow in class.